Hello. Good evening.
Hi.
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 Hello, Ryan. What are we cooking today?
Many things you can see. Yeah. Pasta. Chicken.
A whole chicken.
The head as well.
Yes.
Pork, salmon, prawn, and mushroom.
Okay. We're gonna cut chicken. Plan your dinner plan for tonight.
Okay, so today we'll make a fusion cuisine. We have very delicious. Okay, we make carbonara with the noodles. Then we make chicken two ways, and we make fried rice.
Okay, sounds like a plan. It's a chicken head.
Yeah, it'll be the fried rice.
Oh, serious?
Yeah.
Are you for real?
Yeah. Why not?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wait, what? Okay.
You never had chicken fried rice before?
No, I'm afraid not.
Wow, that's pretty uncivilized.
Oh, look who it is. Gabriel Tan is calling.
Sergeant Gabriel.
Hello?
Hello,
Hi, Gabriel.
hello, sir.
Hi, where are you?
Why your house got notice to go visitor?
Oh, he's here. Okay, bye bye. Hello. How are you on this fine day?
Very tired.
You look very sweaty.
Fucking unhappy bro.
Why like why happy? Cause you're booking in? Yeah. Cause booking on Friday? Yes. Very sad. Okay, I got Ryan Low to cook us. Cook some chicken.
Bro, the chicken touch your watch already, bro.
What?
I think you take off your watch.
He doesn't care. It's okay. Hold on, the heat will kill the germs, right? That's how it works, right?
You have me. You only do prawn. But never mind, you're not eating it, right? You just have me deshell.
Yeah, I can be sure.
Do you know how to debate?
Just slide on the
No,
what
I don't
around. Just slide one time and then pull the shit out, right? Wait, then you come here to what? Just video?
Just to eat lah.
God, useless. Do you think it's stupid that they keep the shit with them?
What? What do you mean?
You know they don't shit, right? They don't. They
Huh?
usually
Prawns don't
look like
shit?
assholes.
Are you serious?
Yeah, their whole life they keep the shit.
Wait, for real?
This is the live world of shit.
Huh? Prawns don't shit. I didn't know. Actually, you know why the chicken don't have shit? You're right.
No, chicken shit because before they die they'll shit.
Why prawns? Why prawns don't shit?
Some crustaceans don't shit. Like there's one slug that doesn't shit his whole life. Actually, I'm kidding. I think prawns do shit. Actually, I'm not too sure.
Okay, so we're gonna make two ways. Let me show you how.
Okay,
Oh, you can help me since my hands are dirty.
it's okay.
No, yeah. No. Help me with the spices.
Oh yeah, sure. Okay.
This is where they they inject the steroids, so let's cut it out.
I see. That's our hair, right?
Yeah, overgrown hair, bro. Prawn. Looking prawn. What kind of prawn? Prawn. Grey prawn.
Looks pretty great to me.
Great prawn, but they turn red
It's called
later.
grey prawn. The dark prawn.
Not tiger.
Wow, they're not tiger. They're NTUC will pull one. Idiot, bo pian lah.
Shag.
Tap it. Stop. And
With pepper. Stop.
now we prepare the sauce for carbonara. Now
Alright.
this is a sweet
One-handed egg cracky. Okay, bro. It's okay.
Negative demonstration. Oh, I got used to Why so professional?
Master Low Kitchen, bro. A lighter. Sick fucker. Sick. Disgusting. It's disgusting.
What's wrong?
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Okay, bro. You can hold me.
Why got so many pets on?
Alright.
It's here.
Where?
Oh my god, it's huge! It's like a rat, dude. Oh, you're opening it.
Yeah.
Oh, this thing damn hot, bro.
Yeah.
Auntie,
Hello.
wait, can you actually take it out?
I think I hamster is now. I'm like a bit scared.
He's an actual rat, what the hell?
I haven't come home ah.
Alright.
He's over there.
What? Bite you ah?
Yeah.
Bite you? Is it pain?
I know. It's really small. It's really small. Wait. I know.
Squeeze it.
Try.
Put it back. Put it back.
Okay.
Put it back.
Bye bye.
Faster close before you jump out.
Hello.
Turn out.
Good morning.
Bro, you got turn out, bro.
No.
Bro, you lift up his whole house, bro.
Oh, what the fuck? You beat me.
It's pain.
You bring some broke, I woke up.
It's pain.
Oh, okay, I think.
I wanna get bitten. Oh, damn. What a feisty little guy. Are you sure it's this guy that doesn't bite, or is it this guy? You get it right?
Yeah. It's not. I had it in my hand.
Bastard. Oh, why is it so fat?
I know, it's so fat.
Wait, why is it so big? Why hamster so big one?
He's like, he's stressed now. Oh, hello. Where you going?
Bro, hamsters are... What hamsters are these, bro? They're so big, eh? Bro, look at him, he's so cute. Look at his beady little eyes. Timothy seems to like rodents, ah.
Yes.
Change.
Change ah. Okay, so stop.
We want to sofa. Can you like rape this guy? What's your balls mean? Okay, this is actually kind of beautiful. That's not
Now, back to our program.
Hey, sambal. Okay, Chester's here. Let's go get him.
Wait, if you're coming and you... I really love that. Bro, just come in, bro. It's open.
Where is he? Chester.
Bro. We got beaten, bro. Go back.
Maybe he's at the wrong house.
Bro, just come in, bro.
Oh, he's here. I think.
Regular airports.
Hey, Chester.
What's this? Oh my god, he's wearing
Oh my god,
SDF
the
socks.
grey store.
Oh, you're sick eh. What the fuck? Why would you wear?
Hey, wow, buy the Liho Bojiu sia, this guy. Chester.
Actually bro.
Bojiu sia.
Actually, Bojiu.
Never jiu eh.
This guy bro.
Add a butter to chicken. More chicken. More chicken.
Where's the
Oh.
ABPS. Bro, you got pick non-Muslim or not?
Food is good, Chester.